Here we have a variation of the snake chain. We are going to use two colors, and I'm going to use the black one with the seed beads as main color and the gold ones as accent bead. We start with our usual base unit, 3 seed beads, and we close the loop. We continue with 2 main color seed beads, 1 accent color, and just continue the same snake chain technique and go through the next seed bead near the one where the thread comes out, and we finish the unit with 2 main color seed beads, skip the accent bead and go through the other main color seed bead. And this is how it looks. We continue with 2 plus 1 accent bead, close the loop, pull snug. It's very fiddly indeed. And we close the unit with 2 main color seed beads. And we repeat just these 2 steps. 2 main color seed beads, 1 accent bead, and close the unit with 2 main color seed beads. And this is how it looks like.